Are you secretly holding yourself back from success? Every day, millions of people unknowingly sabotage their own potential. The scary part? It's often the smallest habits that cause the biggest damage. Let's break down 5 habits that are silently destroying your progress, and how to break them starting today. Habit number 1, procrastination. Putting things off feels good in the moment, but it steals your future. The more you delay, the more overwhelmed you feel. The fix? Use the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Small wins lead to big results. Habit number 2, negative self-talk. You're your own worst enemy. I'm not good enough. I always fail. These words create your reality. Replace them with empowering affirmations. Speak to yourself like someone you truly care about. Habit number 3, comparing yourself to others. Social media makes this habit worse. But remember, comparison kills joy. Everyone's journey is different. Focus on your growth, not their highlight reel. Habit number 4, surrounding yourself with negative people. Energy is contagious. If you're always around people who complain, doubt, or fear everything, they will drag you down. Choose a circle that inspires you, supports you, and pushes you to level up. Habit number 5, fear of failure. This one stops more dreams than anything else. But failure isn't the opposite of success, it's part of it. Every successful person has failed. What sets them apart is that they didn't stop. Now that you know these habits, ask yourself, which one do I need to change right now? Start small. Stay consistent. And remember, you're always one decision away from a completely different life. If this video gave you a wake-up call, hit that like button and subscribe for more powerful insights. Join the Mr. Motivation and Mindset family and let's grow together. Your future starts now.